Hello, and welcome to the Ultimate Guide to Copyright Songs. I am your guide and teacher, Deanne D. Matthews, and I want to thank you for trusting me to guide you through this very important process as a songwriter and composer. I have some good news to tell you from the beginning. The instant that you put your song or composition in a fixed format, that is, you write it down somewhere by hand or digitally, or you record it, you have created a copyright. So the way that you copyright your song or composition is simply by fixing it in a permanent format. However, once you've done that, you need to protect that copyright. And this is where we go to the copyright registration format, which is what this course will concentrate on. First, we're going to look through the original format on paper to do a copyright registration. I know that many of you listening will prefer to do the electronic format, and we will get to that, but some things are easier to see on paper. So we'll look at the types of registration available to you and break down the registration steps and terms while you can see them on paper. I'm also including the paper forms with instructions. And if you need more detail than I get into during this course, the instructions will be there for you as well. After we've done our overview of the paper forms, we'll then move into the electronic copyright office. We'll go to the copyright website, get the account set up, spend some time looking at the electronic terms that go with the registration terms you already know, and then I'm going to walk you step by step through the electronic copyright office process, from beginning your registration to paying and submitting your work. I look forward to leading you on this journey, and again, I thank you for trusting me. When you finish this about an hour from now, you will have the information necessary to get your works the copyright protection that they need.